It's springtime in eastern Oregon. I'm on Brownlee Reservoir, noted for catfishing, crappie, bass, trout, and sturgeon fishing. Casey Broyles and I have come here with our families to take advantage of what we have heard is some of the best fishing in eastern Oregon. Casey will be joined by about 40 other intrepid kayakers who have traveled here from Washington, Oregon, Idaho, and Nevada to take part in 2018's Crappie Shootout here at Brownlee. Some early arrivals tried their hand at PreFishing.
Yeah, that's what I'm hoping. Got him.
Whoa. The morning of the event, kayakers took off on what could be a long day of fishing. The rules for this tournament are unique. You're allowed to catch 7 species. Each species has a point value that's multiplied by the length of the fish in inches. So what matters in this tournament are the number of species and the length of the largest fish in each category.
This is what I'm catching them on. This tiny little pre-tied hook that I found in an old tackle box. And this cheesy little ultralight rod from Walmart. Catfish, smaller one.
Got all the Jim D ones.
8-inch trout.
Yep.
This is a bass. This is Casey, and here are the slobs that won the Crappie Shootout. Woohoo!
Oh my God.
How do those things go forward?
Good fishing today. There's a lot of different fish caught. Some guys got 7 species, which is everything. I think there's 2 guys that got 7 species. So that's pretty impressive in a short amount of time, just running from one fish to another. So good job on that. This year's belt buckle for the winner is gonna go to, first place is Casey Broad. No.
Yeah, remember glasses?
Papa.
We got photo evidence.
She's all, I'm gonna go on the front.
Yeah, she would.
Let's see that.
James here.